Hi guys, welcome back. We have not had electricity for the past for like 48 hours or 72 hours. Sunday night, Monday night, Monday, Tuesday. For like 3 days we have not had electricity. So my fridge is off because of that, and now my foods were about to go bad, and thankfully I had not done any grocery restock, so my fridge was kind of empty. But then again, I'm like, things like chicken, you can't put it back in the freezer once it has defrosted. So I've decided to cook everything. I've cooked fish and vegetables. Now I'm making the chicken. I'm just making chicken with yogurt, natural yogurt, because also that one is will go bad if I don't use today. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just cooking every food that was in the fridge, and then I clean the fridge because I can't just switch it on and continue using it like it's nothing, because it's really dirty. Now I'll just use this power outage as an excuse to clean my fridge. So yeah, that's what is happening in today's video. Just fridge cleaning my fridge and cooking. Don't mind my hair. I know I look shaggy, but yeah, I just need to clean my fridge, cook, and then hopefully I will buy some groceries tomorrow, a bit of grocery restock. But the food that I'll make today, I don't know if it will go bad, because it's a lot. I have fish, I have vegetables, and I have this that I should eat with rice. Oh boy, we shall see, we shall see. So the whole area had no electricity, so I'm not the only one who suffered. We all suffered, but thankfully now it is back. And yeah, I'm just making the food. This onions cooking here, and this is the chicken. I kind of marinated because I didn't know any other way to store it. I don't know if it's going bad. I just hope it's good for consumption, because I did not want to be sick. I marinated with the yogurt, the natural yogurt. So let's cook and see how this turns out, and then we wash the fridge. I'm just glad I did not have a lot in my fridge, because even my butter was almost over, so I just made pancakes today in the morning. That way I just didn't have anything going bad. Now I'm just worried about the chicken. I just hope it's good, because 3 days, let's just hope that it's still edible. Otherwise, let me finish cooking and then I stop talking much, and then we can clean the fridge. This is the state of my fridge. It is completely water, because it's not freezing anymore. Oh my goodness. And this area, oh, it is so dirty. It is so dirty. Just look at that. My yogurt, I don't know if it's still good to go, cause yeah. Oh my goodness. This is so dirty. I just need to do a lot of cleaning here. So yeah, let us start the cleaning process. We put some warm water and vinegar just for freshness. I've used a lot. Oh my goodness. Okay, but I just want the fridge to have a fresh smell. Now I just need to wash all these and those. I'm super tired. I'm done finally. Wow. Just wow. It looks so clean. It looks so clean. So I just let it dry and let all these dry as well. And then I'll just put it back, and hopefully tomorrow I'll go grocery shopping and just make my fridge feel like a fridge. And this is the food that I was talking about, my fish and my vegetables. And now this looks so good, it's so yummy, this. So I'm still contemplating on which one I will eat for dinner. I feel like I'll eat rice and the one that I've cooked just now, and then the vegetables and fish will be for tomorrow. That way, and then the next day, if there's I alternate, so it's like a meal prep or something. But now that I'm not putting it in the fridge, I need to finish the food as quick as possible. So I hope it works out. So I'll just wait for those to dry up and then I put back in. And I'm now going to mop the house because all the water after washing the fridge, all the water is, the house is just a mess. So I just need to clean the house and I'll be done for the day. I'll just show you when I'm putting back, when everything is dried and then I put back. I don't need to show you. Electricity again. Are you kidding me? Seriously? At what point is this too much? What? Is it mine or have I not paid for electricity? Like, this is just too much now. 2 days, 2.5 days in a row, and then again. What? Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Let me see what I'll do without electricity because this is too much now. This is too much. Everything is dried up, so I just want to put everything back and then we go from there. And we have a clean fridge that smells nice. I'm not going to switch it on because I've not done because I've not done any grocery restock, and it will be just a waste of electricity for me to switch it on today. But tomorrow I will go do some grocery shopping, and then I can just show you that. I will switch on tomorrow. But yeah, I'm so happy. My fridge smells really nice. I wanted to go to buy things today, but it's raining. I don't understand how it's raining in October. Doesn't make any sense. But yeah, it's been raining since yesterday, so no food. I do not have food literally. So today I'm eating Indomie noodles for dinner. I do not have any food, and my ndengus, the ones that I had boiled the other day and then I had frozen, I forgot to boil again, kuchemsha. Now it got spoiled, so it's not edible. I had to throw it away, and I hate throwing food. so I had to throw away my food because it was smelling really bad. I forgot completely that I was supposed to boil it again if it's not frozen. So yeah, I do not have any food now. Switching on the fridge will be useless and just wastage, so I will do that tomorrow, and then I will try and vlog my grocery run, my grocery restock run. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's a bit weird. Is it weird? It's a bit different. Is it different? Okay, I was just cleaning my fridge today. I'm trying to be consistent, to find content to create, and this was today's content, so we'll just have to leave with that. Today was cleaning my fridge. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video where I'll be doing grocery restock. Bye.